Once we were bored and decided to see what Mommy was doing. Hello, Mommy. You look really tired.
Yes, you are right. I was cooking for too long, and now I am too tired to go to the shop with household goods.
Don't worry, Mommy. We will help you with pleasure. Today we're going to the shop with household issues. I want.
Choose Nikita's mood for today. What would you choose? Nikita helper or Nikita mischief? We have 5 things in the list. Yellow bath sponge. Frying pan. Wiper. Bread box. Electric kettle. Vlad has 1 product, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products, 5 products. Nikita failed to find something from the list. You bought everything that I've asked for. Cheers! You need to put all goods to their places. Move goods to their places. Tap the door to open it. Tap the door to close it. Thank you.